In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first base in Airtable. Beginner Setup 2026. We'll start from the homepage and end with a blank app you can build on, so you'll know exactly what to click and why each choice matters. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. Make sure you're signed in to the right account before creating anything, so your work shows up in the proper place. If you're not already logged in, click Sign In and enter your credentials. Complete any security prompts, like email or authenticator verification, and wait for the dashboard to load. This only takes a moment, and it keeps your workspace secure. After login, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. This is your home base for everything you built. You'll see your workspaces, any bases you have access to, and shortcuts to recent items. Look toward the left side for the main navigation. This sidebar helps you switch between workspaces and find the projects you care about. If you don't see what you expect, confirm you're in the correct workspace from the list. It's common to have a personal workspace and one or more team workspaces. Now, locate the + Create button. It may appear near the top of the dashboard. This is where you start new things in Airtable, including bases and apps. Click + Create. Airtable will ask where to put your new base. Choose the workspace where you want this base to live. If you collaborate with a team, pick the shared workspace they use. If you're experimenting, place it in a personal or sandbox workspace. You can rename or move it later if you have the right permissions. Next, Airtable offers two paths. The first is build an app with Omni, which uses AI to help structure your app. It's helpful if you want guided setup or quick scaffolding, especially when you're not sure which tables and views you'll need. The second option is build an app on your own. For this walkthrough, select the manual option so you can learn the fundamentals. Airtable creates a blank app with your first base inside it. You'll now see your initial table in a grid view. This is where records live. On the left, you may notice a chat-style assistant panel. You can type natural language instructions here to speed up configuration, such as create page for projects with a Kanban view or add a due date field. Keep prompts specific for best results, and review the preview before applying changes. From here, you can rename your table, adjust fields, and start entering data. Remember to keep field types accurate, like single select for statuses or date for deadlines, so your views and automations work correctly. That's it. You've created your first Airtable base and seen both the AI-assisted and manual paths. Pause here to explore, and when you're ready, continue by adding fields, views, and simple automations tailored to your workflow.